Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you change characters in Fantasaken. So, what you do is you go to these cubes, press F. Oh my god. Anyway, what you wanna do is come over here. And the first thing you do is change. So you change the survivor, like the actual character itself here. And then you change the skin for that character on the right. These are the survivalists, uh, survivors. Sorry, and then these are the killers. Like, look, it says change killer, current killer Gert. Now I'll become sinful. And then over here it says change survivor, current survivor Gert. Now I'll become JM, except he has weird animations. Right. Oh, did I? Oh, my bad, gang. Anyway, so yeah, that's the tutorial.